Have you ever had a case where your patient has the hiccups during anesthesia? Drives you and the surgeon crazy, diaphragm is moving. A trick for this that might be really helpful for you is to insert a nasopharyngeal airway. Something about this insertion stimulates those pharyngeal nerves, which stops the hiccup reflex. It doesn't work every time, but it can be very effective. Another thing that you could try is high-dose Zofran, like 8 milligrams, to actually stop the hiccup reflex. So give it a try. I'd love to hear your hacks too. What do you do when your patient has the hiccups under anesthesia? Ever try this?